Hello and welcome to the Joy of Cooking. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I will be showing you all 4 snacks recipes which are ready in under 5 minutes. Let's begin. They are really very easy to make and very delicious and tempting. Our first recipe is quick poha snack, ready in under 5 minutes. For the quick poha snack, we require rice flakes or pohe, thin ones, you'll see they are very nice and thin. So we require rice flakes, roasted papad, which is optional, red chili powder, kala masala, salt and oil. So first we are going to dry roast our rice flakes till they become nice and warm. So we'll take 1 cup of rice flakes and dry roast them for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high flame. Keep stirring and let them become nice and warm. Once they are warm, after 3 minutes, we'll switch off the flame. And then to these rice flakes, I will add oil, about 1.5 teaspoon, and mix it well. Then add red chili powder, half teaspoon or as per taste, kala masala, half teaspoon or as per taste, salt as per taste, we are going to add papad to this, so add salt accordingly because the papad contains salt, and mix everything well. And now I will add roasted papad to it, dry roasted papad. Crush it, coarsely crush it, and add it to the rice flakes. I'm using 1 papad and combine everything well. And this is how our quick poha snack is ready in under 5 minutes. Now I will make masala croutons. Which are ready in under 5 minutes. For that we require bread slices cut into small squares like this. I am using 2 bread slices, oil, red chili powder and ground cumin and coriander. We also require salt. So in the frying pan, I'll take oil and let it heat nicely on high flame. So we require about 2.5 teaspoons of oil. And once it's heated, we'll add the bread into it. I've cut the bread slices into small squares like this. And we are going to grill them till they become nice golden brown in color. So they will require about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Flip them once they are done and let them become nice golden brown in color from both the sides. Once they are ready, remove them. In the same pan, I will take some more oil. About half to 1 teaspoon. To it, I will add ground cumin and coriander, 1 teaspoon, and red chili powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon or as per taste. Mix it well. Make sure the flame is low. We don't want to burn the spices. Then add salt to it as per taste. And mix it well. Then we'll put the bread slices into it, the grilled bread slices, that is the croutons, and coat them nicely. Add some coriander leaves, and once they're nicely coated, our masala croutons are ready in under 5 minutes. It's a very delicious and tasty snack which is ready in under 5 minutes. Now we'll make our fourth snack recipe, quick Monaco snack. For the Monaco snack, we require Monaco biscuits. You may use any salted biscuits. Then they require boiled sweet corn or American corn, finely chopped onions, finely chopped processed cheese, black pepper powder, finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped green capsicum, and salt. So first I'll arrange the salty biscuits in a plate. Then I'll top the biscuits with some finely chopped onion. Top it with some finely chopped green capsicum. You may use red and yellow. Finely chopped tomatoes. I have de-seeded the tomatoes and finely chopped them. Then put some boiled sweet corn onto it. Put some processed cheese. I have finely chopped it. You may grate the cheese if you want to. Perfect. Sprinkle some salt on top. This is optional but recommended. And some black pepper powder for more taste. And this is how our quick Monaco snack is ready in under 5 minutes. Now we'll make masala papad. For that we require papad. This is black pepper flavored. So we require papad, finely chopped onions, de-seeded and finely chopped tomatoes, peeled and finely chopped cucumber, chaat masala, salt, red chili powder, oil, shave and coriander leaves. So first I'll start by seasoning the vegetables, onion, cucumber and tomatoes. Add salt as per taste and mix it well. Perfect. Now in another plate I will take the papad and I am going to brush it with some oil. Instead of deep frying the papad, I am going to shallow fry it by applying some oil onto it. Now on a hot tawa, I'll put the greased side down and roast the papad till it becomes nice light brown, golden brown in color. Brush the papad from the other side as well. And with the help of the spatula, we're going to roast it nicely. Flip it once it's nice golden brown in color. As you can see, it has got perfect marks. Roast all the papads the same way. Perfect. Remove them once done. Now we are going to top the papad with some finely chopped onions. Make sure the vegetables are evenly spread. De-seeded and finely chopped tomatoes seasoned with salt. You may add some black pepper powder if you want to. And peeled and finely chopped cucumber. Spread them evenly onto the papad. Then sprinkle some red chili powder for taste. Not much. Some chaat masala. And some shave. Fine shave. Sprinkle it all over. And some coriander leaves, roughly chopped. And this is how our masala papad is ready in under 5 minutes. So our 4 snack recipes are ready in under 5 minutes. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and